This is the Ryobi power tool. Yeah, it's a vacuum, underwater pool vacuum. We're going to test it out and see how it performs, see how well it does. So stick around.
Hello, my name's John, and I am just a pool owner here in Oklahoma with an above-ground pool like this. I've owned several throughout the years, over 20 years now, and I just share some tips and tricks and advice that a DIY guy does, not a professional. So today we're going to go ahead and put this Ryobi vacuum to the test. And of course, everything I'm doing next to the water, you probably shouldn't. I've even got my battery sitting over here, so you don't want nothing to fall in. But I'm going to go ahead and remove this right here. It's just got this little spot that you put the battery that keeps it from getting wet. Right there you go. So we got that in there. Then we're just going to go ahead and put the floor head attachment on here now. Wow, look how easy that does. There you go. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So I figured first we'll go ahead and try it on these steps here. Power button right there. Hold that down for a minute. Get all the way under now. Get all three of these steps. Well, you can see the water actually coming through there. All right, so now we're going to use this pole, which you'll need. Of course, the pole won't come with it. We're going to go ahead and add that in here. And you can go up, see if we can go up one more. Nope. First level right there. This thing's submerged under. Oops, get it under. Let's see if we can't get this thing to get under the water here. Got to get it filled up with water. Weight itself down. Right there it is. See if it'll weight itself down. It's trying to float up on me. You kind of got to keep pushing it down. It tries to float up, but it is picking up pretty good. Actually, it's not floating up quite as bad now. Look at it though. It's doing pretty good. You can see there. A little scrub there, coming up, maybe a stain. I was getting that. All right. After it's been down there a bit, let me go ahead and point out also I'm not having to press it down much anymore. It's actually staying down pretty close to on its own. So it's weighted itself down, and we're just kind of gliding it back and forth now. There are some areas you might have to do a little scrubbing, but it is picking it up pretty nicely. You know, it's not going to have real wide sweeps because it's not super huge, but let me try to scrub some of this area. Also, as a quick look here, you can already see what all it has gathered. You see all the stuff floating in here, so it has picked up some definite dirt and stuff. You can see all floating inside there that it is caught at the moment. So far so good. And you can see where it's cleaned it so far. So yeah, let me go ahead and get the GoPro and do a little footage of underwater here. All right, we got the GoPro out now because this thing can go under here and we can get some good footage of what it looks like. You can see where we've currently vacuumed it and where we have not. And I'm gonna have someone follow me and they'll go underwater a little bit to kind of take a look at this. You can see how well it picks up. Right there it is. That is currently you can see all of the stuff that it's caught so far down here, right in that area. Once again, it kind of originally starts to float, but once it gets full of water, it'll start to stay down pretty well on its own. Let me get that thing full of water down there, and then let's go ahead and try to get out here to where these leaves are. I'm going to come back and go down again in that same area. Well, it seems to be getting it pretty good, don't it, Jacob? When you come back, it kind of goes upward. It don't stay on the ground there. I'll go over here. Kind of go slow. You don't want to stir it up. Back and forth. Got it, getting all that stuff right there pretty darn good. Got Jacob filming it. What do you think? Is it doing all right? Mm-hmm. Pretty good. Yeah, when you back up, you kind of got to press down if you want it to vacuum. It's best to, when you're just going forward. And then stick till the end, and we will go ahead and open the filter and see what all we did get out of the pool. Some of this is maybe stained on there a little bit. And there's a patch. Hopefully we don't suck that patch up. It's kind of floating a little, but it's still stopping the water. All right, so we did pretty well. Look at this. Check out what's all inside there. Let's open this thing up. Look at all that sand and stuff that it got from the bottom of the pool. Are you kidding me? And this right here, just this dirty water. Look at that. And that on the bottom, look at all that on the bottom. Now that's some leaves and debris. It caught all of that out of here. And all of that. Wow. So, yeah. And this actually, you just spin it, you can take that out. Snaps back together, and we got it clean for the next cleaning right there. So I think it did the trick for sure. So all the stuff I got out of the pool with this little thing.